Hey guys, good evening. So I'm letting the girls out. I wanted to share this beautiful day with you guys. The sun is going down. Yeah, so I tried to stay up as late as I could to actually past noon, but I didn't want to. I didn't want to stay in bed too late and miss out on this beautiful day. So here we are, just seeing what's happening here. I really need to open. Let me show you what I got going on here. So the shed door got pushed in, and the sill plate, the door is actually hanging below the sill plate right here. You can see that it's pushed past the entry point. I was trying to get that put all back in there. So we'll see. What is that? Anthill? Let's see what that is. Oh, we got something digging in there. Yeah. Something's digging in there. I'm going to have to address that for sure. See if I can push this door back up over the sill plate here. I don't know if I'll be able to, but not sure. Not sure how to get it back up on the sill plate. I may have to take the hinges off and reposition the hinges to get it up. Looks like it's dragging a little bit. All right, hold on one second. Let me see what I can do here. All right, so I did manage to get it lifted up. There we go. Now we're back. Now we're back in business. And I really just need to kind of clean out the shed here. See what we got going on. There we go. Hold that open. Yeah, so we have something digging over here. Not sure what it is. Oh, what the heck is that? Bunch of feathers. That looks kind of gross, don't it?
Did you ever find that red ball?
No. I found some feathers in here, though. It looks like I don't know what kind of feathers those are. Chicken hawk or something? Let's see.
Sit.
Turkey feathers, maybe? I don't know. Oh, but there's a whole buttload of them in here. Gross. What is that? I don't think those are turkey feathers. Look like hawk feathers, but not real sure what kind of hawk that would be. It looks familiar, like a familiar kind of feather. Do you know what kind of feathers these are? I don't either. So,
No.
huh? So
Bring them out, but you don't watch them. Come on.
something got in here and killed something. Interesting. Well, I fixed the door, so that's good. We got something digging in here.
Yeah, we do. Holy crap.
Yeah. Digging up under the wood there. I may have to investigate some more. Oh, look at Emmy's gonna investigate. See if he can find something.
He's like, not in my yard, people.
Right.
Did we get any eggs?
I haven't checked yet. All right, let's go check eggs with Alicia. See what we can find. See what she...
Come on, double yolk.
Right.
Holy shit. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. We got 6 eggs. Woo, 6 of them. She's gonna get them out for us.
supposed to be getting the new girls tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Got 'em.
Very nice. Look at that, guys.
Dirty, but man, these things are big.
Yeah, I know. Our chickens lay some really big eggs.
Compared to Fat Allen's little thing.
Right?
Fat Allen eggs.
Alright, guys, so
Oh, did you want to show them what we got from mail call from Fat Allen?
did we get mail call from Fat Allen?
It's in the trunk. It's not really mail call.
Oh, yeah, we can show you. Okay, so a buddy of ours, he's the one that's buying some property. He gave us some stuff that he had at his house. He's giving some stuff away. Stay here. So I'll just show you a sneak peek of what he gave us. So this is guess what it is.
Comment below if you know what it is.
Yeah, comment below if you know what it is. It's a worm bin. Yeah. It's a worm factory. See that? Yep. He's never used it, so he gave us one. Pretty neat, isn't it? Yeah.
Thank you to Fat Allen Farms, Indiana edition.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks a lot. See you later.